So hello everyone. I'm Mathieu. I'm an engineering manager at Ledger, and today I will present you Ledger direct connectivity. First, just a few words about Ledger. So Ledger is a French company which has been created in 2014. So far, we have sold more than 7 million devices in the world. We are securing more than 20% of crypto assets. And also, we are secure by design using the secure element that is that you can find in your passport, in your credit card, and in everything. Just quick sum up regarding the track. So at Hackathon, we will have two tracks. Main track will be AI agent with Ledger. So we have three prices for it. Um, so basically, the idea is to have agents that will connect and interact with Ledger devices. If you have any question, you can come to our booth. I will be able to answer your question. And also, we are a team, so there will also other people. The other one is maybe more famous one. It's clear signing. So basically, clear signing is something we are pushing. We have been pushing for 2 years at Ledger, which is basically ensuring that you are signing a right transaction and you can understand what you are signing on Ledger device. And yes, and for this one, we have two rewards. Just few words regarding, I was talking about clear signing, so few words regarding blind signing. So this is what it looks. So basically, here, looking at this picture, you cannot say if it's a legit operation, it's the correct contract function that we will call, if the payload is malicious, or if there is something that you were not expecting. So basically, what blind signing means, it means that it's unreadable, and so it's unpredictable, and basically it's unsafe to sign it. So that's why we came with clear signing, or for the same transaction here, you can have every meaningful information. So it will be transparent, human-friendly, readable, and it will empower you and give you more confidence when signing transaction on your device. So Ledger Wallet button, or Ledger Wallet Direct Connectivity. It's a last product we released recently. It's for DApp developers, and so basically it will allow you to integrate. So it looks like this, but I wanted just to make a quick button. But basically, it will provide directly by integrating an SDK in your DApp some interface that will allow you to connect your device, to retrieve your accounts, and also to interact on the different message requests that you could have following the EIP 1193. So like I said, it's a full provider, so like your usual software wallet like MetaMask, Rabbi, it is supporting the same operation. It's built with security because having Ledger button in your DApp means that it will provide you directly built-in security, providing clear signing. Also, we are doing some transaction check. So basically, we are simulating the transaction execution, and we are trying to detect and to tell you if there is something suspicious in your transaction. You have a complete user flow, so you will be able to sign, to pair your device, to fetch your account. It supports also USB and Bluetooth, so you can either plug your device or use it wirelessly. And like I said, it's standard integration. So how it works, basically, just a few words about it. So it relies mainly on 5 different stuff. The first one is the device management kit. I will explain a little bit what is the device management kit, which is a Ledger product. We also are relying on the Ledger Sync service. So Ledger Sync is a way we find at Ledger to synchronize your account between Ledger wallet instances, but in the end, you are also able to fetch it in Ledger button. It also relies on the signer kit Ethereum, which is basically the logic for interacting with the application running on our device. It relies on web component, which is called framework, which is called Lit. We decided to choose it as it work anywhere, and so it's not tied to any React or Vue or other UI framework, and it's also lightweight regarding other this kind of framework. And like I said, it relies mostly on several EIPs. The main one are the 1193, and the other one is the 6963, which is a multi-wallet provider. We support multiple networks. We are supporting more than a dozen of networks: Base, Arbitrum, Optimism, AVAX, Polygon, and so more. We are handling the three main actions, which are signed personal message, signed transaction, and signed type message, so EIP 712. And also, we are broadcasting your transaction to the network. It's really easy. Basically, how you integrate it in your app is like this. So you just install it as a dependency. Just a few words regarding the version. Now we are in the 1.1.1. So, but after we can come at our booth, and I can give you more details. And then you will just have to call in your code, so in your index file, the initialize ledger provider method with different parameters. The dev config, you can forget it, but you can select when you will target, when the button will be injected. The DApp identifier and API key, you have to come to our booth, and I will give you one. And after some information, but it has no really use. For me, there is not, it's not meaningful for you now. We are actually live on 1inch and Velora website. And so I will make a quick demo just to show what this looks like. So I have the Nano Gen 5 here. So up, so this is 1inch. So if you look here, you have Ledger Wallet. It's not detected because basically you don't have to install any extension, anything. You can use it. So I will connect through Bluetooth. I have my Gen 5. I'm pairing with it. So it's asking me to open the Ledger Sync application, and so it will retrieve my account. So yes, it's fetching the different account. Okay. So I will use this one. And now I'm connected. So I'm able to have some interaction. You also have a really nice panel where you can add your assets. And if I want, I can start any swap transaction. And so it's just I'm clicking, and it will do everything. So I just have to continue on my device. So basically, you don't have to handle the app management and so on. So it's really easy and to provide the ledger integration. So, and in a few seconds, I will have my transaction, which is obviously ClearSign and with the transaction check. So you cannot see it, but there is show, and basically I just showing at the first, but it's really ClearSign. So yes, so I will not go into the end. And it's also available on Velora. It works exactly in the same way. So that was for the Ledger button, direct connectivity. I also wanted to talk about device management kit, because as you will not all use the button. Maybe you will need to make something which is more specific. If you want to interact with our device, there is a device management kit, which is a set of library, which is architecture like this. So we have different packages. We have different transports, so USB, BLE one. We also have the React Native one. So the device management kit can work also on React Native application and for websites. We have the signer kit. So actually we have multiple signer kits, which are basically handling all the logic for creating the right data to be sent to the device and handle all the communication. So we have Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Cosmos, and other. I don't have the other in mind. We have also Ledger Sync, like I showed you, and so and the device management kit is the key part. So it will handle the connectivity, the discovery of your device, and everything, all the exchange using the different transport that you will inject. And so it's really easy to use. Basically, in 30 line of code, you can have a pretty complete implementation of a ledger device working on a Bitcoin or on Ethereum or on Solana. It's native. Also, we have also a native one. It's really modular. We have some debugging tools, so we also have a playground. You can come to me and also look at the developer portal, you will find it. The playground gives you an overview of what we can do. Mostly we have some really great tool for testing the clear signing, because clear signing you will have to create your own JSON, but if you want to test it on our emulator, because we also have an emulator for the application, you can come to us and we can show you how it works, and you will be able to directly check your clear signing without having to go to the pull request, to submit it, to push it in prod, and so on. So yes, like I said, you can look at the developer portal. Basically, most of the documentation is here. We also are at the booth. I put also the QR code, which is directly redirecting to the developer portal, but on the hackathon page, so you will be able to find the track on it. And yeah, if you have any question, I'm open. Yes? Yes, yes, because it's relying on web API. For now, there is nothing on mobile, and it's in JavaScript, yes. And it's work only in a desktop environment on Chromium-based web browser, as the only one which is providing web HID and web BLE, which are the transport used for communicating with our device. Any more questions? No? So thank you, guys.